What is going on, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, and today we are talking about Cryptoplanes, the gaming token that is freaking going absolutely bananas right now. Last 24 hours, we're up 8.67%. Current price sitting at $3.38. And if you look on CoinMarketCap, we can see the market cap is only 49.8 million right now, whereas the diluted market cap is 319 million. But we've had 11.7 million in volume in the last 24 hours. And if we go back over to DEX tools, we can see we've only got 7,895 holders on this. So still pretty early when you contrast that to the other token in the companion game for this, the crypto cars. We can see that this one has 37,000 holders. So a little bit earlier to get into this one right now. The market cap on this one is a little bit higher as well at 76.3 million. And the Cryptoplanes seems to be taking off much better than the crypto cars right now. They've got over twice as many followers on Twitter, and they're in the top 30 play-to-earn CoinMarketCap tokens here. Top 20 most viewed as well. There they are, Cryptoplanes. Another heavy hitter on there, UFO Gaming. You guys know I love them as well. Crypto cars way up at the top as well for this one. So let's check out some stats on their game. Right now they've got 115,000 players already, 61,424 planes, over 5 million in-game transactions, and 2.324 million in USD gas fees saved. So we'll go over their website a little bit, and then we can check out their white paper as well. So they've got a couple different gameplay types. Got training mode, PVC mode, where you're battling the computers here, PvP, where you're playing against other players. And then looks like you can also battle the crypto cars, so nice cross promotion there, and you can upgrade your items. And I think one of the reasons this thing is taking off right now is they just launched the marketplace 2 days ago. A couple of things you can do here: you can stake or trade your tokens on the dexes like DEX tools. You can get tokens from the game, and then you can use the tokens back in game to earn more tokens. And these are some of the NFTs that they have to go along with the game. These are your characters here, and they have a docs team, which is huge. Love seeing the docs team. Let's go over the white paper a little bit. So the Cryptoplanes is an expansion of the Crypto City metaverse, the place where the famous NFT racing game Crypto Cars was founded. So this is a metaverse game taking place inside of a larger virtual city. With this expansion, the Cryptoplanes bring in new experiences, beautiful NFT planes, and exciting game modes. Let's see what we got here for gameplay. So each plane has 4 stat points: speed, power, air, fuel. As a player, your mission is to win the fight to get experience and earn tokens. When you gain enough experience points, you can upgrade your plane levels. All right, so we have a lot to get to on the marketplace here. So this is a shot of what it looks like. You'd be free to choose your plane and rarity level, as well as other parameters such as speed, power, and even price. And so what you can do is buy and sell planes, and in the future, you're going to be able to buy and sell the actual materials as well. And so this is also huge, probably to combat the flipping of the NFTs. So only planes which have been open for more than 20 days can be sold on the market. Sales tax is 12.5%, which goes directly back into the rewards pool. And only accounts with less than 5 planes are eligible to open blind boxes. And we'll check out a bit on the metaverse. So this is the Crypto City. In the Crypto City ecosystem, players have the right to own valuable supercars, modern fighter jets, and workshops with unbelievable profits. Looks like the real money here is in the workshops, and they're going to be building out a lot more features, modes, and developments, possibly some new cities as well, some new land that'll be going into this. The play-to-earn model, so what you're going to do to earn tokens, we have to do is complete the training, PVC and PvP. You can sell materials, sell planes, and win planes versus cars battles. And with those, you can buy materials and items to upgrade the current plane, buy more planes, and obviously you have to buy your first plane with those tokens. Now let's see what we got here for tokenomics. Looks like the core team has 12%, advisors have 8%, marketing has 6%, platform development has 5%, DEX liquidity has 6%. The IDO, they sold off 12%, and 1% went to airdrop, 5% went to private sale, and the play to earn is going to make up almost 50% at 45% of the total amount of tokens. So this is definitely going to be one that you're going to want to have on your radar, as I think big things are coming down the pike for this in the next couple of months. I could see this going up to $6 to $8, no problem, getting that $100 million market cap. But anyways, guys, just wanted to do a quick overview on the Cryptoplanes metaverse project here. It's not just the planes, they've got the cars as well, and the whole crypto city that the games are a part of in that metaverse there. As always, guys, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on the Cryptoplanes as well as other NFTs, stocks, and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.